Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your status in Microsoft Teams. So let's say you're using Microsoft Teams and you want to change your status, right? You can easily do that by clicking your, let's say your account on the upper right hand side. Here you will see, it will show you once you're online, this green check mark here. And so if you click on that, you will see your availability, right? In my case, it is showing available. And so if you click on that, you have more options right here. So you can see that you have available, busy, do not disturb, be right back, appear away, and even appear offline. And you can also go ahead and even set your out of office directly from this as well. You can even do it from your phone as well. So if you have Microsoft Teams on your phone, you can also set your Microsoft Teams right here status as well, and you can even set messages, out of office message, and all of those good stuff. So if you're looking for how to change your status in Teams, this is how you can do it. Here as well, you can see that it has a set status message. If you click on that, you will have the option to set status message right here, and so forth and so forth. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can change your status in Microsoft Teams. Very easy and very simple.